Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Howard.
We're Vocal Lab Collective. Hey Katie.
Hey Jason.
Hey everyone, hit that subscribe button to this channel. Did you?
I had a little burp. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Burp, then hit the subscribe button. Also, join us on Patreon where we do lots of crazy, cool, and fun things. We're building the community, and we want you to be there. Always above and beyond.
Always above and beyond.
For those who want to go above and beyond
Jason's going to be singing on there.
Yeah, Katie's going to be breaking bread.
Carlos is going to be singing on there.
Carlos is going to be like dancing in a thong. You got to find out. I'm just leaving it there. I'm just leaving it there. You got to find out. You got to find out. Hey, we're going to go to back to some OG faves. Yes.
Bus.
Wish Bus. We're going to go to SB19.
Ow! Right? That hurts so bad every time.
I love it when I do that.
Oh my gosh.
You love it when I do that. We're going back to SB19. This is MAPA. You ready?
MAPA.
Hey,
I'm a MAPA
here we
you
go.
off the floor.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Wish USA. This is him.
Oh.
We gotta go to one.
It's the Wish USA bus. I didn't see that. I wonder where this was.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo laging nakikita. Miss na kita sobra.
Wish 1075.
Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis ba sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama? Pahinga muna, ako na. La-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, 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 la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo. Ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Dahil ikaw na iba, sabihin ko'y gagapan na dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Basta sa labis ang ginagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Sa-ra-sa-ra, 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 di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Totoo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. At kahit na pinapamahimaw, wala pagkat dala kong mapa. Sa'y magpapangkalang kung saan nang wala. Huwag mag-alala, pikit ang mata. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, pikit ang
Nice little key change.
pahinga muna, ako na bahala. Sa labas ang ginagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. Sa-ra-sa-ra, 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 sa-ra-sa-ra. ako na.
Well, that's sweet and tender at the end.
Yeah.
All right. Mom and Dad rest. I'll take care of you now. God,
Well, that's what they've been
makes me
saying
wanna-
the whole time.
I know, but it's just the way they brought it down there.
I know.
That's like...
I didn't, honestly was kind of captivated the whole song, really. One, I think this is a song that really allowed their voices to... It brought out a little bit more character in their voices than I've heard before. Individually,
totally.
yeah.
I agree with that.
As a mom, this pulled some major heartstrings for
Yeah,
me.
of course.
Just
I mean,
thinking
as
about,
a
like,
dad,
when
it did me too.
Yeah. It just, like, whenever the kids, like, when they're grown, right? Like, I can imagine, like, their parents, like, watching this and hearing their
Well, totally.
talented children.
Yeah, for sure. And I think that's, there are a couple things that, to what you're saying, that really stand out. If you're an artist and you're creating a catalog and you're creating moments in your career, it never hurts to do a song about your mom or your dad.
No, never. Because everyone can relate.
Everyone can relate, right?
Yeah.
That alone was a smart move on any artist's
Yeah.
part, especially when they have a long-term career in process or that in view. That stood out to me. That was really, really cool. And, you know, it was just really cool to see, not knowing anything they were singing about, but to see the words clearly, just repeating over and over.
Totally.
You know, it was a really...
And it was such an easy song to listen to, too. It
Yeah.
was such a feel-good, like, the melody was great.
For sure. But at times, their voices were, like, intense.
Very, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Even though the song is really sweet and
Yeah.
tender and sensitive. So that was a cool dynamic, too, that
Yeah.
they added into that. Yeah, this was great. This was great. They never disappoint, SB19.
No, I love this song.
Oh. Hey, until next time.
Who are you?
I'm Jason Daddy Catron.
Oh my gosh.
And you are?
Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Who's a real daddy over here?
Hey.